Hello students, welcome to Unnati classes where we will simplify commerce for you. So, today we are going to evaluate our goodwill in the firm. Yes, goodwill and its valuation is the first topic of this class. So now, everyone must have heard the word goodwill here and there and in your books. You must be learning it, you must be reading it again and again. So, what is goodwill and why we need to evaluate it or evaluate it? So, here I am going to simplify it for you. So, first, what is a goodwill? So, goodwill is the value of a firm's reputation. In simple words, what people think about a firm, their business, their product in the market, that value is called goodwill. It helps a business to earn higher profits and it is an intangible asset, as in we cannot touch it, we cannot see it, but it has a monetary value. You can convert the goodwill into money, into the value. It has value in the market. That is the reason why we need to find out the value of the goodwill. So now, what are the conditions where we need to find the value of the goodwill? So first, admission of a new partner. Whenever a partner is coming to the firm, he is going to pay for the admission in the firm as a new partner. That goodwill. Yes. Then retirement or death of a partner, sales of a business, change in profit sharing ratio, and amalgamation of a firm. So all these are the reasons we need to find out the goodwills. Now, what are the factors that affect a firm's goodwill? Because goodwill is an asset which earned by the firm in many previous years. So there are a lot of factors that affects goodwill. One, where that particular business resides. So the location of the business, quality of service or products, what the firm is providing to its people, to its customers. Then efficient management. Yes, efficient management is very important when it comes to goodwill. Then market competition and firm's reputation and brand image. All these factors affects a firm's goodwill at a high cost. Now, how to calculate goodwill? The main question. How we are going to find out the goodwill of any firm. So, there are main three methods to find out the goodwill of a firm. Average profit method, super profit method, third, capitalization method. So today I am going to simplify all three methods for you. So first, we are going to get a clearance of the concept of average profit method. As by the name, you can see average profit method. So it is basic. So here, by the name we can understand average profit method is calculated through the average profit of the past years. So it is based on the assumption that future profit will be similar to the past profits. 1. Goodwill depends on the ability of a business to maintain steady profits. 2. And it is used when profits are stable. So, you are going to use average profit method when the firm's profits are stable in continuity. Okay. Now, how to calculate the average profit method? Average profit method can be calculated by adding the profit of the previous few years. Whichever years are given, whatever profit is given to you, according to that. So, first step will be add all the past profits divide the profits total by the number of years, that will give you the average profit. Then multiply it by the years purchase, that is usually given in the question, 2 to 5 years. So your goodwill will be average profit into number of years purchase. Okay, I hope those steps are clear to you. Good. Now, as it is given in the example, you can see the example on the screen. Profits for the past 3 years are given: 80,000, 1 lakh, 1,20,000. So average profit will be, we are going to add all 3 and divide it by 3. So it will give us rupees 1 lakh. Now our years of purchase is also given 3. So goodwill will be average profit, which is 1 lakh into 3 year of purchase. So goodwill will be 3 lakh. Yes. So this is how we are going to calculate goodwill with the average profit method. Now, the second concept, the second method of goodwill is super profit method. In this method, we are going to find out the super profit for our firm. So, as the name suggests, super profit will be the average profit or the normal profit minus the actual profit. And what is actual profit? The actual earning capacity of a similar industry or the firm in the market. So we are going to compare our firm's profit with the normal industry profit. If the firm earns more than normal, the extra profit will be called the super profit. Goodwill arises from this extra earning capacity, is called the earning of the firm or the super profit of the firm. Now, what is the steps we are going to calculate? What are the steps we are going to use to calculate the goodwill through super profit method? So, the steps are: first, you have to find out the super profit, which we can find from the actual average profit of our firm minus the normal profit given for the same nature industry. Then goodwill will be super profit multiplied by the years of purchase. Now, how to calculate normal profit? That question arises. Yes, of course, that arises. So normal profit will be capital employed multiply by the normal rate of return, which will be given in the question. What is capital employed? So capital employed is the particular investment you have done in your firm. Either it will be in the question or you have to calculate it. So capital employed will be whatever you have invested in your firm, that will be your capital employed. So now let's take an example for the super profit method. So for example, we have average profit of 1,20,000. Capital employed 6 lakh. Normal rate is 10%, as in 10% will be your return in the similar industry if you are searching the market. Normal profit 6 lakh per 10%. So it is 60,000. Your super profit will be 120 minus 60,000, 60,000. So the goodwill will be 60,000 into 3, that is 1,80,000. Yes. I hope I am clear with this example. Now we are going to understand what capitalization method is. So capitalization method, by the name, it suggests that we have to capitalize our profit of the firm, which is given average profit. So in capitalization method, you have to capitalize the value of the firm by or through the average profit. So average profit multiply by 100 the normal rate of return. Yes, reverse. That will be our capitalized value. Whatever capitalized value is of the firm minus capital employed will give you the goodwill. Yes, it will give you the goodwill. Now, you must be thinking of the question why and how. See, capitalized value is the value your firm has earned in these years. For example, according to your profit, according to your average profit, your capacity or the value of the firm in the market is called the capitalized value. Capital employed is the value you have invested. Capitalized value is the value which has been increased in these particular years. So the difference between the both, the historical value is capital employed and the current value is the capitalized value. So the difference between the both will be your goodwill. Yes, you have earned that goodwill during these years. Now the example we are going to take for capitalization method is, you have given average profit 1 lakh rupees. Normal rate of return for the same business is 10%. So capitalized value will be 1 lakh into 100 by 10, 10 lakh, and capital employed is 7 lakh. So the goodwill will be 10 lakh minus 7 lakh, as in 3 lakh. This is how we are going to calculate goodwill through the capitalization method. I have posted a few past CBSE board questions for you. Take a screenshot and do these questions as the notes in your notebook so that you will be more thorough with the topic. Okay. Now, I have posted few practice questions for you as well in the video. There are 3 questions. Go through these questions, practice these questions. If you find any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and whatever confusion you have in this topic, I hope I have cleared that. But if you have any question, again, you can come in the comment section and ask for the doubts. It has been a great pleasure to guide you all.